Hello guys, this is True Ray back again with another video, and I have an unboxing here of the Logitech G710 Plus gaming high quality, high performance keyboard. Yeah, I kind of went over the top with that. Anyways, as you can see, here's the keyboard. Of course, there's the picture of it. Here's the back with all the information. So a few of the specs here: 6 programmable keys, easy locate keys, even in low light they are backlit. Yeah, and that's pretty much what's on the back of the box. It's a mechanical keyboard. You really get that feel of the keyboard, the response, the clickiness, everything that a true gamer likes. Even if you're not a true gamer, even if you're someone who types a lot, this keyboard, you will like it. So let's see what's inside real quick. Ooh, nice presentation right here. We have a nice presentation. A box within a box. Open this bad boy up. And there's the keyboard. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Take this out the box. Dropping everything. Let me not hit the camera. Golly. Yep. One moment please while I struggle to get this out. So what we have in the box is the user manual and a palm rest. That's literally it. So put that off to the side. Let's take a look at the keyboard. So you will need 2 USB ports available for the keyboard. As you can see, self-explanatory. It's quite a sturdy keyboard. It has some heft to it, which is nice. It won't move around. As you can see, you have a free USB port here to add peripherals in here. A mouse, wireless mouse, USB stick, external hard drive, anything. In the back, nothing much. Just information on the keyboard. A little scroll wheel over here. Nice clicky noise as you type. Some programmable keys right here. But for the most part, it's a full keyboard. So overall, that's about it for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. More giveaways, because I've been giving away a lot lately. And that's about it, guys. Take care now. Be breezy.